Hi, my name is Maisa Rouzer. I'm a nurse practitioner and founder of Lake Washington Medical Aesthetics. We would like to invite you to join our upcoming first annual medical aesthetics course at the Seattle Science Foundation on Friday, May 30th. Joining me as co-chairs for the course are Sarah Berg, DNP, the medical director at Bespoke Beauty in Montana, and Dr. Bahma, facial plastic surgeon in Everett, Washington.
I'll be giving demonstrations on cosmetic and functional rhinoplasty, as well as facial reanimation, and hope to see you there in May.
The medical aesthetics course was created to enhance participants' ability to perform advanced medical aesthetic procedures, including injectables, laser therapies, ultrasound-guided procedures, and non-invasive body contouring. By applying evidence-based techniques to ensure patient safety, natural results, and optimal outcomes. Please sign up today and join us on Friday, May 30th.